Walmart, the world's largest retailer, is cooperating with Botinkit. With the Botinkit kitchen robot Max, they have jointly built a new food retailing business model with only one machine, 2 people, and a 5 square meter shop.
我叫陈明峰啊，我是品客餐饮管理公司的创始人兼
management company. Our restaurant at Walmart only takes up around 5 square meters. We mainly make Hong Kong-style food and drinks. We have 2 staff members who are lay people in cooking. One manages the operation of the robot. The other one manages food preparation and serving. The 2 laymen can cover the entire process. We've received positive feedback on our shop's high labor efficiency and sales per square meter. By far, our average order volume per store is above 10,000 every month. It was Walmart that took the initiative to invite us to join them. The kitchen robot itself is eye-catching because customers can see how Walmart food is made right in front of themselves. Walmart noticed that we don't need cooks and use less space, less water, and less electricity in our business model. As a big brand, Walmart pays attention to every detail. Since Botinkit kitchen robot can reduce cost and increase efficiency, Walmart highly supports us in adopting the robot at their new stores. We used to need professional cooks, and yet the food we served was not good. But now with Botinkit Max, 2 laymen taking charge of food preparation and serving are able to manage everything. Our efficiency and effectiveness are greatly improved. According to previous data, 2 professional cooks can at the most produce 70 to 80 meals per day. Now 2 laymen can produce more than 300 meals. In the past, the flavors of the food are subject to the cook's preference and cooking skills. But now, we can maintain a consistent and nice flavor, while adjusting our meals for different customers. For example, we can tailor the meals for white-collar and blue-collar workers, for communities, for internal staff, for young people and the elderly, to quickly meet their different demands.
Botinkit kitchen robot has helped restaurants achieve super high labor efficiency and large sales per square meter. Its appealing appearance will help offline retailers attract customers and build the brand image of being intelligent, industry-leading, and superior.